To use EasyPesa without the app, you can utilize the USSD service provided by EasyPesa. This method allows you to perform various transactions using your mobile phone. First, you need to have a mobile account and ensure that it is registered with EasyPesa. To initiate the process, dial the EasyPesa USSD code, which is typically a specific number provided by EasyPesa. Once you have dialed the code, you will be presented with a menu that lists various options such as balance inquiry, money transfer, and bill payment. Select the desired option by entering the corresponding number, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. For example, if you want to transfer money, you will be required to enter the recipient's mobile number and the amount you wish to transfer. After entering the necessary details, you will be asked to confirm the transaction by entering your mobile account PIN. Once you have confirmed the transaction, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been successful. It is essential to note that you should only use the USSD service from your registered mobile number, and ensure that you have sufficient balance in your mobile account to perform transactions. Additionally, you should keep your mobile account PIN secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily use EasyPesa without the app and perform various transactions using your mobile phone. This method is convenient and accessible, especially for those who do not have smartphones or prefer not to use the app. It is also important to be aware of the transaction limits and any applicable fees associated with using the USSD service. You can find this information on the EasyPesa website or by contacting their customer support. In conclusion, using EasyPesa without the app is a straightforward process that can be completed by dialing the USSD code and following the prompts. By understanding the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can safely and efficiently use the EasyPesa USSD service to perform various transactions.